You were born with a heart that feels everything. The beauty, the ache, the in-between. And this June, the stars remind you, your sensitivity is not a weakness. It's your power. Jupiter has entered Cancer, a fellow water sign, and suddenly your inner world begins to expand. But not in loud, dramatic ways. This is quiet growth, emotional blooming, a deeper trust in your own rhythm. You may feel more creative, more inspired, more willing to let what's inside flow outward. Paint, write, dance, speak. Not for approval, but for expression. Let yourself create without asking if it's good enough. Mars in Leo energizes your daily life, your habits, your routines, your work. There may be more demands on your time or a sudden burst of motivation to organize things. But don't overcommit. Use that fire wisely. Channel it into what nourishes you, not what drains you. Mid-month, Mars squares Uranus, and that tension may arrive through words. Communication may feel strained or chaotic. You might say too much or shut down completely. Pause, listen, and speak only when it feels rooted in truth, not reaction. Venus and Mercury in Cancer soften everything. Love feels sweeter. Conversations feel warmer. You may feel more open to intimacy, more willing to let someone see behind your smile. Romantically, this can be a healing month, not necessarily because everything is perfect, but because you're finally showing up as you are. Career-wise, inspiration returns, but don't rush the process. Let the vision form before you try to explain it. Your path isn't linear, and that's okay. Financially, stay grounded. Emotions may tempt you to spend on comfort, but clarity comes when you wait a beat. Emotionally, this is a powerful month for letting go of guilt, grief, or the pressure to save everyone. You don't have to carry every wave. You just have to float through your own. By the end of June, you may feel lighter, not because everything is solved, but because you've surrendered what wasn't yours to hold. This is your invitation, Pisces. Feel fully, create freely, and trust that your softness is not a flaw. It's a gift. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.